we get one question more than any other. What makes ELECTRA AI different? It comes down to three things: adaptive learning and intelligent modeling, a chemistry and hardware agnostic platform, and cloud plus embedded intelligence.
Today, the second, what it means to be chemistry and hardware agnostic. Think of a doctor. A good one doesn't have to relearn medicine for every single patient they treat. They understand how a body works at its core, so they can read a patient they've never even seen before.
Most battery software is the opposite. It's a specialist for one patient, one chemistry, one pack, and one specific use case. Showing anything new and it's lost. Our platform reads the body. The same battery DNA shows up everywhere in an EV, a grid storage site, or a drone. Different shapes, but the same fundamentals. So what we learn in one place, we carry to the next. This is where it gets powerful. The knowledge compounds. Every vertical teaches the others.
EV behavior sharpens our grid models, and grid behavior sharpens mobility. Each new deployment doesn't start from zero. It starts from everything we've already seen. The knowledge doesn't sit in silos. It accumulates across chemistries, across hardware, and across entire industries. So a new chemistry or a whole new market isn't a rebuild. The brain already knows how to read it. One platform, one mind, getting smarter with every battery it meets.
That is the AI brain for batteries.
ELECTRA, the AI brain for batteries.